Here I have OPPO Find X, and let me show you how to activate the night shield on the following device. So at the very beginning, slide down the upper bar and tap on night shield icon. You can enable now or schedule it, so let me pick enable now. And now your device is in night shield. If you would like to switch it off, just scroll down one more time and tap on the icon again. And now it's off. If you would like to personalize this mode or schedule it, just tap and hold on this icon for about 2 seconds. And now you are in night shield menu. So you can schedule it, tap on schedule time, and now you can pick the period of time. So let me pick the start hour, so it can be 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. So every time, actually on every day between 9 and 6, night shield will be on. If you would like to switch off the scheduled time, just tap on this icon on the switcher. You can also enable it now over here, just tap on the icon and switch it off the same way. You can also personalize it, so you can select some display effect. You can pick display in black and white, just tap over here, and now your display is in black-white colors. You can also pick nighttime reading, so your display will be black with just white letters. It's very comfortable nighttime reading. But let's go back to display in color, and you can also change the temperature, so you can pick some cooler colors or warmer, it's up to you. And you can use your device in this mode. And you can quickly switch it off by tapping over here. And that's it. Thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.